Okay, here we are. It is what is it today? Monday, March the 21st or 22nd. I'm here biking with Anastasia Fose. She's a German girl. She's been with us for 3 months, and she will be going back to Germany and then to China in a week or so. She wanted to go to Manhattan biking, but we didn't have a chance until today. So this is the Washington Bridge. You see, she's coming over there. And then this is, you can see there, New Jersey side. That's the Hudson River, the north, where there is the Tappan Zee Bridge, there, north. Yeah, this the Palisades Park. And then to the left is Hoboken, Weehawken, Treeside Park, and the Hudson River. See there? And yep, that's Manhattan, the skyline of Manhattan. So we will do like 40 miles or so, or 50, depending on her legs. We're going to do all the bridges, the Washington Bridge, Brooklyn Bridge, Manhattan Bridge, Queensboro Bridge, all of them. And here she comes. Hey! How do you like it?
Very much. So nice! Woo!
Nice, right? And here we are with her bike and my bike, with the music.
Amazing.
That's it.
So nice.
Remember the plane that landed in the river?
Yeah.
It was right here. Right here.
It's amazing.
Okay, let's go. We will see.
I love it.
Huh?
I already love it.
Nice, very nice. Let's go.